Welcome to the show how to unblock phone number into a REALME C35. First of all, open your phone application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Then go into block numbers option, and here we got 2 block numbers. So for unlocking, for example, this last number, click here in the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock. And we unblocked this number. So let's try again this number, and for unlocking click here on the cross. Confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.